Welcome to Make Web Better. Today we're going to learn how to create product-specific payment form in HubSpot. This is my dashboard. I will go to Product section. So here I will click on this button to create a product. So here, this is the setting. I will fill all the fields. Product X, amount 50, and Product X. I will add the description here. This is a drop-down here. I can sync this product by HubSpot product. All these products are mentioned in HubSpot. I have created these products in HubSpot. If I will click on it, then this product would be synced here with FormPay. But I will just create a FormPay products for now. You can see Product X is created. I will create one more product. Product Y and amount is $100. Now we'll create it. Now I will go to Form section. Product X and Product Y is created. Here I will enter the name of the form. New product form. I will attach a HubSpot form to this. Yeah, here I will scroll down. This is a default thank you page setting. I will enter the amount. Here I will select Gateway. I will select Stripe. You can select any of the gateway. It's up to you. Here I will publish the form. As you can see, form is published. I will go to the product section. Here I will click on Add Product and I will select Product Y. And I will click on Add Product. And now I will select Product X. This is the share link, and this is the embed code. So you can use any way, either embed code or share a link to use this form anywhere. I will copy the shared link, and if I open it in another tab, you can see this is my product form. This is the email field. This is the product Y. This is product X. If I go back to the product section here and click on Allow to change quantity, I have enabled the Allow to change quantity for product Y. If I refresh that page and you can see here, now I can change the quantity of product Y. And there's one more option. I can make optional products. If I click on it, then this product will become optional. As you can see, product Y becomes optional. If I want to purchase, I have to select it first. So this is the product form. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more tutorials and guides from Make Web Better. Thanks for watching.